Hi everyone, welcome to Mom Tuition channel. Today we are discussing about English question paper. First, match the picture with their names. One side picture is given and another side is name is given. Child have to match the picture to names. First picture is ball. Ball here. Next, cat. Next, tree. Apple. Cup. Next, write missing letter. Picture is given, some letter is given and some letter is missing. Child have to write missing letter. First picture is moon. M dash dash N. M O O N. Moon. 10. T E N. 10. Bat. B A T. Bat. Next is cake. C A K E. Cake. Net. N E T. Net. Next, circle the first letter. Some picture is given. Child have to circle the first letter of the picture. Fish. F for fish. Next, grapes. G for grapes. Butterfly. B for butterfly. Fan. F for fan. Next, fill in the blanks with vowels. C dash T. C A T. Cat. R dash N G. R I N G. Ring. S dash T. H A T. Hat. T U B. Tub. T U B. Tub. P dash T. P E T. Pet. D dash G. D O G. Dog. Next, circle the odd one out. Fan, can, red, man. We have to circle red because remaining all are rhyming words. But, gul, dul, hul. Bird. Bell, gel, egg, well. Egg. Next question is match the following with rhyming words. Ball, hall. Hill, fill. Cat, bat. Full, bull. Well, cell. Next, circle the vowels. Apple. Apple. A and E is vowel. Cat. Cat. A is vowel. Donkey. In this word, O and E is vowel. Next, banana. A vowel. Next word is hand. A is vowel. Next word is lion. In lion, I and O is vowel. Thank you for watching.